So students, these are our different drawing instruments. So this is your first drawing instrument. This is known as a drawing board, okay? And these are the clamps by which we can clamp the sheet. This is your drawing sheet which I have clamped with the help of clip. Then this is T-scale which is of T shape. So T-scale used to draw long line along the sheet. Okay. And these are the French curve which is used to draw parabolic shape, hyperbolic shape and different type of design. I will show you in actual practical. So these are the French curve. Then this is the pro circle which is used to draw different type of diameter circles. So small circle we cannot draw with the help of compass, so we have to use this pro circle. This is pencil, this is your compass, this is eraser which is must, this simple scale, and this is known as the set square. So these are two types of set square. This 45 degree and 90 degree set square, and this is another set square which have 90 degree, 30 degree and 60, 30, 90 degree set square. And this is very important drawing instrument which is known as a mini drafter. In this you have to clamp your mini drafter here, and it is a scale. Here is a scale which is bolted and can rotate. You can change the direction of this scale, and this is perpendicular scale. Here is a pointer which shows the 0 degree. You have to match this 0 degree along this clamping mark, and you have to tight this bolt. Once you clamp this bolt, so your scale will be at 90 degree, and it is used to draw horizontal and vertical lines. So these are the drawing instrument with the help of which we are going to make a practical. So boys, this is your T-scale. Now we can move this T-scale along the wedge. Now see how I am drawing the long line with the help of the scale. See, you can make a long line with the help of T-scale. So this is use of actual T-scale. Now I will take another instrument which is known as a set square. This is a set square which can use to draw line at this degree, 60 degree. See, 60 degree line we can draw. Now if you take opposite line, you can have a 30 degree line. So which is your 30 degree? This is your 30 degree. Okay. Now with this scale you can also draw perpendicular line. See, just you have to change the side and you will have a perpendicular line. So this is use of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree set square. Another set square which is of 45 degree. So here we can draw a 45 degree line. See, like this you can make a 45 degree line at equal distance. If you take this to left side, you will have a design like this. See, you will have a box. Okay. So this is use of 45 and 45 degree set square. Another drawing instrument, this is known as a French curve. So see how you can make a simple and beautiful drawing. Just you have to move your pencil through this slot. See, this is used to draw parabolic and hyperbolic shape. See, this is your parabolic and hyperbolic shape you can draw. Any type of shape you can go along this here. Here in fresh page you can see. See, if you draw like this and this and this, just you have to trace. But if you opposite this, if you make this opposite side, or if you turn that French curve, so you will have a design like this. Okay. Then next will be your pro circle. Using this pro circle, you can draw different circles of different diameter. Simple circle, but with accurate size. So if you draw circle at the center of this, you will have a logo like structure. You will have a logo of something. Okay. So now if you use combination of set square in this circle. Okay. Now see what I am going to do. See, you will have a design. Okay, just move and you will have a design. If you have to make a box again, see, within a minute you can make a box inside the circle. Okay, we will see the use of compass. So this is rounder. You can draw a circle. Okay. Now if you reduce this distance, you will have another concentric circle. Another concentric circle. Again you reduce the distance, you will have another concentric circle. But now see, if you draw a line along this circle, passing through the center, okay, passing through the center, and now take distance, same distance from this end to this radius, okay, and now see what I am going to do. Just draw a circle like this. See here, you have to just change the position and you will have a simple and fine design. Just move. So it is very useful tool, and you will have a petal of flower. So take a center. See boys, your beautiful drawing is ready. But you must have a lot of practice. So this is use of rounder or compass. With this you can make another drawing. See, if you draw like this, again reduce and do not complete circle. Just leave it like this. Okay. Then again reduce the diameter and again make an opening. Like this, you will have a puzzle type of drawing. So this type of drawing you will have. Okay. Now French curve, just I have said. So French curve, for French curve, suppose you have to make a bird-like structure. See how I can do that. So this is my profile. Okay. Now I have to make eye of that bird. So I will use a pro circle. So pro circle for the small circle. So small circle eye, I am going to use a pro circle here. See. So here is your eye ready. Again you can use, for beak making you can use a French curve. See, Okay, this type of creative drawing, boys, we can use with the help of French curve. For opposite drawing or mirror drawing, you may say, mirror drawing, you can use this trick. Just opposite it and match the point, and you will have a mirror image. Okay, so these are some examples which can be used to draw different shapes and different drawing. See what I have done. So we will continue in this next session with the engineering drawing instrument.